Today I'm cooking family-sized stir-fried glass noodle with vegetable and eggs. It is an easy, quick filling meal that has savory minced pork, crunchy cabbage, and firm chewy glass noodle. This recipe is for 4 servings. First, soak 140 grams of glass noodle for 15 minutes or until softened. Ensure the glass noodles are fully submerged in the water. This is not enough, so I am adding another 500 ml of water. I am using Pie brand bean vermicelli glass noodle for this recipe, which I found does not break easily when stir frying. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, just sharing what works best for me. After 15 minutes, the glass noodles have softened. It absorbs a lot of water. Cut them into 5 to 6 inches long with kitchen shears, so they are easily to eat. And transfer them to a colander to remove excess water. Set it aside. Then, in a large wok, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Switch on the heat and let it warm up for 1 minute. Add 40 grams of minced garlic and stir fry for about 1.5 minutes or until golden brown. Remove them from the wok and set them aside. With fragrant garlic oil left in a wok, add in 3 eggs. I am cracking them directly into the wok, but you can crack them separately in another bowl to quickly add them all in the hot oil at once. Then add half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir quickly to scramble and mix the sauce evenly as the egg cooks. When they are about 80% cooked, remove them from the wok. Set them aside as well. Add another 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the wok and 200 grams of minced pork. Spread it out evenly and pour half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Cook for 1.5 minutes or until the pork color changes. Then add 40 grams of sliced fresh shiitake mushroom and stir slightly to prevent burning at the bottom of the wok. Add 130 grams of sliced yellow onions and stir to mix for about 1 minute. It's a little too dry now, so I am adding 25 ml of water. Stir to combine. Then add 250 grams of shredded cabbage, followed by 200 grams of shredded carrots and 35 grams of red chili strips or 2 pieces of chili. Stir to mix until they are all combined or until the vegetables become softened and fragrant. This takes about a minute. Then add all the soaked glass noodles. Spread them around the wok over the vegetables. Then add half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Give the noodle a good toss, stirring and mixing it all together until the sauces, noodle and vegetable are well combined and even in color. Continue to stir and toss for another 4 to 5 minutes to slowly cook and soften the noodles. After 4 to 5 minutes, the glass noodles should appear transparent and soft. Give the noodle a taste and adjust if preferred. Then mix together the fried garlic and scrambled egg from earlier. Stir and mix them well. Once evenly distributed, add 45 grams of spring onion, cut to 2 to 3 inches for some fiber and bright green color. Stir until well combined. And our stir-fried glass noodle is done. Switch off the heat. Dish it out onto serving plate. And serve with a topping of chopped spring onion. Let's eat! So good. The noodles are firm but not tough. The eggs are well seasoned. And the vegetables are crunchy and tasty. Perfect for an easy weeknight dinner. And leftover can be packed for the next day lunch too. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!